How to make slime. Air slime. First, pour some activator air. Next, some glue air. Now mix it well. Wait until it's mixed. And just like that, we have made slime air. It looks like real one, but this is air slime, I call it. And mix it well because it's not finished, I forgot. And just like that, we have made air slime. Here is some ASMR.
Yun ang ginagamit nila dito. Meron silang hindi basta mantika. Yun yung may pinagkaiba niya. Tapos meron niyang cocoa solid, ito rin, tapos asukal. Tapos meron niya siguro, depende mo lang ng chocolate mo, napang-milk siya. Usually, ako hindi ako nagkakamali powder na yan. May ako kapansin mo, talaga ito lang yung pinagkaiba nilang dalawa. Kasi nga, ito yung pinakamahal na ingredient dyan sa paggawa ng chocolate. Ito talaga pakapalitan nila dito. So, okay.
I forgot now. It will turn into balls. Now it's completely slime. Here are the ingredients. Bye.